Couple of mates today, and we've got a 2016 BMW X5 m50d that's having a few little jobs done to it, oil and filter change, and also a passenger front constant velocity joint gator. Anyway, let's get this wheel off. Now we've got the vehicle half raised and the wheels off over there. We need to get ourselves a little torch, just so I can show you what's going on here. We need to undo this top pinch bolt here and the anti-roll bar link, but what we're going to do, get yourself a little wire brush first, and you're going to clean all them threads down so them bolts coming down nice and easy. Now what I've done, just to make a little bit of room-a-rooney for myself, is remove the caliper and hung it up over here out of the way. We've unplugged the pad wear sensor and also the ABS sensor, because this arm now is going to be pulling forward. We're going to grab now a 16mm, get this pinch bolt out and remove that sensor drive shaft nut. Now we all know that aluminium can swell, so what I've done, removed the pinch bolt, and I got my little air chisel, put a blunt tip in it, and come from underneath and just shocked it out. Now I have been looking at them Sykes Pickup and Vibro guns. Let me know if they're any good, because they're quite expensive. Yeah, if you've used one, let me know how you're getting on with it. Now as you can see, I've got the suspension leg removed, and what we've done, we've cut the CV boot off with a Stanley knife straight down the middle, and then the CV joint itself, there is a spring clip on the shaft. What I've done, got somebody to hold it from underneath for me, and then tapped it off with a hammer. It did take a few clouts to get off, but we've got it off. What we're going to do now is just make sure that everything is nice and clean, so when the new one comes, we can slide it straight back on. Now what we're going to be using on this joint is a universal CV boot. Now they do fit all sorts of joints. What we're going to do, put it on, make sure it fits perfect, and because they're oversized, you cut the excess off so it's nice and neat. Get this cut off now, and we can slide it on the dry shaft. That is the boot now on the shaft itself. Now what we've done, fill the joint full of grease through the centre there. Now what I'm going to show you is a little trick that I've been using for many years. You know, a little circlip? We're going to put a cable tie around it, like so. Pull it tight. Now we're going to get the joint, and it should, if all plays right, it should just slide on beautifully like that. Now once we've got the boot on and it's all nice and secure, I've seen over the years, it does me head in, where people use cable ties. Always use the proper clips on them. We need to get these tools on, these pliers. What they do, they pinch that clip and it makes it nice and secure like that, and it looks more professional. And that's the two clips on the boot. Now I like to put them in line with each other. I think it just looks more professional. Once you've done it, grab your joint and give it a good twist Rooney, and make sure it's not going to pop off. And all we've got to do then is just put it back together. And just like that, with a little bit of magic, it is all put back together. As you can see, the new CV boot there is nice and secure. I've already put one tyre there. It's going to have the other three now, and I'm going to crack on with the oil filter. And that is now 4 brand new tyres, the CV boot done. I've done the oil and filter, and I'm just going to grab the launch now, jump in the car and reset the service lights. Now we're sat in the vehicle. I'm going to be doing a full video on this over on my YouTube. If you want to go and watch it, go and watch it. I'll reset all these now and I'll show you in a minute. And just with a few buttons pressed, we have now updated the iDrive history and also reset all the serviceable items. Absolutely beautiful. And also the engine oil level is absolutely perfect. And there you go, guys. I tell you what, this is an absolute monster of a vehicle. But anyway, another one done. Let's get it sent.